Hey guys, it's Avery from Avery Home Decor, and I'm excited because today I'm doing a review on Public Goods. I did a collaboration with them. Don't worry, I still have a code that I can give you guys to get discounts if you go to their website and check them out. I'll leave all that information at the bottom of the screen and also in the description box. But I'm doing this review because I always stand behind whatever I do a collaboration on. If it's an item that I will collab on, that means it's an item that I will buy. I want you to see what the real product looks like. The full-size product, you saw the real product, but this is just the full-size version of one of the candles that I liked. And as you know, if you didn't watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can go and check it out. When you check that video out, you'll notice there's a couple of things we did. We actually did some smell testing, and I had my favorites, and my client that I was home staging their bathroom had their favorites. So I let them have their favorite scent, and I took the one that I liked the best. And here is the black currant candle that I just could not get enough of. I did really like the other scents, but this was just my favorite. I thought the vanilla lavender was gonna be my favorite, but when I got home and I actually started smelling the aroma of this one, there was something about it. I don't know why. And I'm going to show you the container. All right, so we've got the top made out of wood, a three-wick candle. I love the top made out of wood. It's got a really good grip in there, and it smells so good. I don't know what it is about this scent, but you guys know I love candles, so I just can't get enough of them. I like the fact that it's really a natural look to it, so I don't have to worry about color coordinating it. It will fit anywhere, and that's what I like about their natural products. And you can find more on their website. Just visit publicgoods.com. And we're gonna go ahead and get into today's video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing as well, but it's gonna be from a prize I won. I told you guys about this in my last video, that I was gonna just go ahead and take an opportunity to unbox it at a different time. And let's get into that. Hi guys, it's Beth from Avery Home Decor, and today I'm doing a shout out video for someone I follow, and I actually enjoy their channel so much. They do reselling, and I actually won a giveaway on their channel that I want to share with you. Okay, so Char F, if you have not visited her channel, I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can link to her channel and check her out. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get to this unboxing. And I had thought this was wrapped so cute because it had eBay tape all over it, but Char had said she had wished she had boxed it a little neater. So anyway, we don't have to show all of that. I thought it was pretty, and I'm gonna just show you what's in it. So I have it here. So one of the things that I try to do, if I follow you, I watch your video from beginning to end. Do it for two reasons. One, because yeah, I hope that you do that for me. But two is because sometimes people may click on your video and not have time to finish it, and then that kind of hurts your viewer duration. Well, anyway, that can add up to a lot of people. It could add up to people that were just maybe browsing your channel and didn't, remember to go back and finish a video. So if you ever do visit someone's channel, I think it does. I've been told it helps the algorithm if you click back on the video and finish watching it because it shows you're a return viewer, and they do keep track of that. So the fact that you return actually improves the analytics for that channel. So let me get back to what I wanted to do this video on. This is the bubble wrap, so it's out the box. So this is the first thing I'm going to share with you guys that came out. She had 2 caddies and she filled them up. I was able to get one of them, Regina Michelle, another one, but I want to show you guys the card first. All right. Okay, so it says, "Hi Vet, congrats on your win. I've enclosed some home decor related items. I hope you like them. And thanks so much for your support. Have a wonderful day." And she said, "P.S. hopefully they did not break." So yeah, let's hope they did not break, because I'm excited to see what they are. All right, so very pretty card. So here's the first item. And ooh, I love it already, because I see hearts. Anything with hearts, I like it. Oh wow, and it's a double-hearted picture frame. Okay guys, it did not break. So here is that, this is just the eBay tape holding it in together. So this is like the back of it that you would put on maybe a table if you wanted it to just sit. You open this back so it could sit upright, and you put your pictures in there. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Char. All right, so I love it. And just so you know, she was giving away caddies. So this is a very nice one that she had picked up, and it has dividers in it already. So I love that about it. It's got a nice handle. All right, so let's see what else is in here. Okay. Oh, wow. See, I just did. Everybody knows I love candles. I just did a video. My last video was about a candle. So this one is the world's best 3-wick candle, guaranteed. And let me show you a little bit closer. All right, so this is called Pineapple Pancakes. Really? Oh my. And it's from Bath and Body Works. Oh, you're so sweet, Char. Thank you so much. I love Bath and Body Works. Look at that, Pineapple Pancakes, and I just can't wait to smell it. Because I can smell it already, and it smells absolutely wonderful. Bath and Body Works. I do smell pancakes. I smell something that smells like pancakes. Ooh, it smells so good. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of, if you've ever been to Crackle Barrel, they've got these peach pancakes, and it smells really similar to that. And I actually fill the top of mine with whipped cream, and this just smells really good. Thank you, Shara. That was so thoughtful of you. I really do like candles, and this one smells so good. Thank you so much. And guys, there's one more thing in here. See, this is that eBay tape. See, I thought it was so cute when I saw it packaged in it. I was actually thinking to myself, where can I go get some of that tape? All right, so right, guys, see if you can guess what this is. Sometimes it's not what it looks like. I would have said maybe a coffee mug, right? But no, it's really pretty. I can see it already. Gold. And it's so pretty. I love this. Hey guys, look at that. All right guys, I love it. Look at that. It's a very pretty bowl. Now you can see my camera and my ring light. You can see the bowl as well on the inside. I love this type of decor. I actually have some like this, so this would be very good with my collection. And wow, thank you, Shar, you nailed it. I love everything that you sent. And in the caddy, I love the caddy as well. Guys, the dividers for the caddy, they're at the bottom right here in this package. So everything came in one piece. So thanks again. I appreciate you, sis. I love your channel. You guys make sure you go and check out Shar F. And as I said, you will love the effort she puts into her videos. And I always, you'll see me commenting. Make sure you like and subscribe as well and make a comment. So if you're new to the channel, you know this channel is about home decor, like the name. And I love the fact that you visited today. If you like any of the content that I showed you and you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and double tap that bell so that you get notified whenever I put out a video. I will see you on the next one, and you have a great day.